Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shreya and I run dark.netflix.memes on Instagram. Having a meme account is great because I get to interact with people from all over the world, including some of the cast and crew of Dark. But it also means that I meet a lot of strange people. These are some of the weirdest DMs that I've received on my page. First, once a guy texted me saying want Netflix. So I told him that I don't sell cheap Netflix accounts. To which he replied that he wanted a free Netflix account. And I was really confused because if somebody is out there giving out free accounts, even I want one. So I asked him to elaborate and he said that he really supports me and he'll get his 3-4 friends also to follow me, and he's really bored during lockdown, so I should totally give him my Netflix account. Now, I don't know what the rate is for paid followers, but I'm sure it is not one Netflix account for like 4 followers. Second, till date I have received around 4 to 5 DMs asking if I'm interested in selling my account, which I am obviously not. Unless you are offering me $1 million, in which case I'll be very happy to sell. So, as I said, I was not at all interested in selling my account, but I just wanted to see what the rate is. Like, how much could an account with around 45,000 followers go for? So, I replied to one of the accounts that asked me, and what the lady did is she asked me how much I wanted for it. So, I had to come up with a number that she would obviously refuse. So, I said $500. To which she said, done, 500 rupees. Now, I don't know if she couldn't see that it is dollar and not rupees, or she was trying to bargain like Phoebe. Both of these are quite disturbing. So I told her it is dollars and not rupees. To which she said, done, $50. What kind of a negotiation is this? Third, if you're a hacker, then make me a hacking website. Sure, I'll just get right to it. I'll add it to my agenda. Make memes, make videos, make a hacking website for this random dude who doesn't even follow me. Fourth, once I got a really strange request from this guy asking me for a personal endorsement, and I really did not know what it means. So I asked him to elaborate, and he said that personal endorsement is when these popular pages with a lot of followers, what they do now is that for free they give shout outs to individuals for free. And what happens is it helps the meme pages grow, and even the individual grows for free. And he basically used the word free like 5 times in the conversation. It really reminded me of when Michael Scott was planning a surprise for The Office. I think it is in the healthcare episode, and he talks to the travel and tourism guy and he's describing this particular package where they send the bus for free and the accommodation is free and everything is free. Fifth, I get DMs to like, share, comment, and basically do all of this almost every single day. Now, I'm sure a lot of you must be getting the same. But what pages do with me is that they steal my posts and upload it as their own on their page and ask me for a shout out or a comment or basically in any way that I can help them. Like, they've completely fooled me. I didn't recognize that this meme was made by me only. I'm adding a few generic ones here so you can see them for yourself. A model asking me to share his profile on my story so that he wins some selfie contest. A page asking me to watch their video if I have watched Dark, because I totally haven't. I haven't even heard of the show. Is it any good? 6. A lady once sent me a DM with the words want promotion. So I asked her if she wanted a promotion. She said yes. I asked her what she wanted to promote and she said you. And I was really confused. So I asked her to elaborate, to which she said that she will post my profile on her story. And as a post, so generous of her, if I paid her. Now I was at 47,000 followers at the time and she was at 800 followers and she wanted me to pay her to promote me. Now this dude sent me a DM bashing Dark. He said, this show is trash and you know that. Stop. You want a good show? Check out The Office or Game of Thrones or Mr. Robot. They're all better than Dark. Now for the record, I would like to say I really love The Office and Game of Thrones, even though the last season was really disappointing and it broke my heart. But what is he trying to prove by sending such a DM to a fan page? I mean, what response did he expect? I didn't even reply to him. Like, why waste time? Not everybody has good taste. Okay. Now this is not a DM, but this dude used to consistently comment on my posts saying that I have stolen their memes. Now, at first, I used to completely ignore that But after a point of time, what happened is that they started getting a lot of likes, and people were actually thinking that I'm stealing their memes. So I got really defensive and I replied to their comment, to which they made up such a bullshit story. It went like I made this meme and I shared it with my friend, and then she shared on a WhatsApp family group, and they shared with their neighbor, and they gave it to their dog, and he took a scroll and went to Africa, and then they gave him to this and that and there, and then like that you got it. I'm obviously paraphrasing a lot, but I hope you get my point. Ninth, there are creeps everywhere. Some people just don't have basic manners. 10th, now every single person that I've interacted with from my meme page has just assumed that I'm a guy. And that really, really annoys me. Except for this one person who referred to me as him/her. And I was like, finally somebody. Now I know what some of you might say, that he is just the default and there's no need to take it personally. But he is not the default. If you don't know somebody's gender, please use they or them. Don't go around guessing other people's gender. So what this particular dude did is he sent me a series of DMs, and each sentence ended in brother. Hi brother, this brother, that brother, ex brother, Y brother, blah blah brother. And I got so mad that I said I am not a brother. And he lost his shit. He was like, you're not a guy. Oh my god, you're a girl. How could this happen? Are you sure? Oh my god. There was barely a 50% chance of that happening. My math is so bad that I cannot comprehend this negligible 50%. And to be honest, I would be glad to help him out with some math lessons, but then I think he will totally lose it. He'll be like, she has a meme page and she knows how to do math. Witchcraft, witchcraft. And then we'll be like, it's not the 17th century anymore. Not all of my interactions have been like this. You can consider these 10 as the outliers, because most people really appreciate when I reply, and 3 of them even said that I made their day by replying, and that made my day because nobody has been this happy to hear from me. I've had some fun conversations with people, and a lot of people ask me where I'm from, and I give such ridiculous answers. I tell them I'm from Adam's world, I'm from Eva's world, I'm from Gotham, Asgard, I'm a global citizen. And I say all of this, and I have a lot of fun talking to people from my account. I'm sure a lot of you have your own stories about some weird DM that you received. Please drop it in the comments because I would love to read them. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you did. I'm adding the link to my previous video and the link to my meme page in the description. Do check it out. Thank you for watching.